Hi, this is Jim Bottrell, broker and founder of Ardent Real Estate Services and the Jim Bottrell team. You know, this is that real estate team that does all the charity work for Radies Children's Hospital and, of course, our wounded veterans programs. Having been an Iraq War vet myself, I know how hard that is, and of course I have 3 little kids, so I jokingly say that I have season passes at Radies. But seriously, the Radies does so much good work for so many kids that we just wanted to take on another philanthropy, so we do that. Anyway, the reason I want to tell you about this, I want to send you the video, is I've got this new listing. This one's in La Mesa. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's 2176 square feet. It's aggressively priced. It's under $850,000. Now, this house is fully renovated. It's very private on a half-acre lot with panoramic views. Really nice. It's got a grand kitchen, an oversized driveway. It's got a large 1,000+ square foot patio deck. So this is a really, really nice house. Now, maybe you're thinking, God, this would be a great house, but we have to sell our house first. Well, we call that the catch-22. I mean, do you sell your house first and risk being homeless while you try and find the next house, or do you find the next house and see if you can qualify for both, or do contingent sales, or something really messy? If you're in that situation, congratulations. You're all of my buyers and sellers. So everybody goes through this. I'm an expert. I've never had anybody go homeless yet. I don't plan on starting with you. So the reason being is I have a satisfaction, we call our trade-up plan. I can either guarantee the sale of your home or outright buy your existing home so that you can make a non-contingent offer on this. Now, you may think, how could I possibly do this? Well, last year I sold 77 times as many homes as the average agent. So I don't say that to impress you, but to impress upon you that because I sell more homes, it means I can do more to help people like yourself. Also remember my buyer satisfaction guarantee. Buy any one of the Bottrell team's listings or buy any home through the Bottrell team, and you have an 18-month buyer satisfaction guarantee that says if you don't love that home within 18 months, you call me and I will buy it back. Thinking of selling a home? Call me, Jim Bottrell, the Bottrell team. Your home is sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it myself. Call me and start packing.